Hey guys, Flip Man here. So I'm out here at the Luxury, the new Airbnb family home for 15 years that we're converting. And we're working on the half-acre backyard right now. I got Bernie here. Bernie's gonna be handling all the landscaping, the hardscape, greenery. We're putting in a putt-putt course. We got the trampoline. What are you gonna do today, Bernie?
Plan is as far as the tree removal, right?
The big trees?
Big trees.
Okay.
Big trees, small shrubs, stump and all that, get ready for that.
So everything as far as tree removal will be done today?
Yeah, we should be able to finish it up today. I got a guy outside and...
Sweet. So
Yep.
you're gonna grind all the stumps and then kill the...
Yeah, pour some chemical for the roots so that way they won't, prevent from them coming out. The bigger trees will grind them out.
Okay.
Smaller shrubs, those trees will definitely take them out, uproot them and all that, so that we won't have to worry about
Sweet.
those as well.
Sweet.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be replacing these with more lush, big palm trees down the road. Bernie will be planting all those. We just gotta come up with the design plan. And then I want to go over today with you as far as the turf and everything else we're doing. Can we walk through and you could show us? So this is coming out?
Yep.
Okay.
This tree's getting taken out.
Okay.
We'll go ahead and grind the tree. The stump.
These guys are going to come out?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. These are staying.
She wanted...
Brittany, she
okay.
These stay.
These guys stay?
Yeah. If you guys change your mind later, I can remove them. But as of today, I'll leave them.
Okay.
I think that's what the plan was.
Was this staying?
No, this
guy's coming out?
This guy's coming out.
Okay.
This guy's coming out.
The
Citrus
citrus is staying? Okay.
This one's staying. All these small shrubs here
are coming out. Palo Verdes.
Out.
Beautiful. And then like some of the neighbor stuff too, you're gonna brush back?
Yeah, so as soon as we take these out, whatever the branches that are coming from the neighbor's house, we'll go ahead and trim that away from your property.
Awesome,
Yep.
Awesome, okay.
This plant, palm is coming out.
Okay, this one, what the heck is this again?
Acacia, or whipping willows, what they call them. These are gonna... This is the tricky one out of removing everything because of the fire.
Oh, with the fire?
Yeah, but it shouldn't be a problem. We'll go ahead and, this was the first one that we were planning on.
Oh, sweet.
Planning on.
Today?
Yeah.
Okay.
First step, we're gonna get that.
First step, these guys are coming out here, the little...
all these purple relias, another hibiscus here, these are all coming out. Again, with the neighbor's tree, we're gonna cut back on all this here.
Sweet.
Especially here, cut back on that. There's some branches high up there, but
we'll get those today?
Yep,
okay.
Yep, we'll get in those.
These,
this one here's getting removed.
These two.
This one as well, right?
Okay, yeah. These guys.
Oleanders, all these are getting out.
Okay.
Removing all of these here. This one we said that's staying.
Yes, you could get the roots out, whatever was there.
This here.
Okay.
Well, this is gonna stay.
Yes.
These three.
Okay.
The rose bush is gonna get removed.
Yep. And this guy, the sage.
It's gonna stay.
Sweet.
Yep.
So that's day one of the backyard kind of demo day. We're just changing up the look quite a bit to make it more Arizona feel back here. Excited to see the progress today.
Yeah.
The changes. Step one.
Step one.
Awesome,
Yep,
Bernie. All right. Thank you. And then